Hello, I would like to take my paper ANN features for heading classifier, and this is the outline for the paper motivation and heading estimation flowchart and the classifier heading classifier for pedestrian movement and experiment scenario and definition of ANN features for heading classifier and the result and for the conclusion and future work. So the idea behind the ANN classifier features for heading classifier is we have to reduce the sensor errors. The main sensor errors from the magnetometer or gyroscope will affect the performance of our system. To reduce the errors, we are creating a heading classifier and extract the features from magnetometer, and the extracted features showing a unique behavior in each direction. So the basic idea or motivation of this research or this paper is to extract features from magnetometer and the extracted features showing a unique features in each direction. So this is the basic diagram or flow chart for the heading estimation, and we use the smartphone, and from the smartphone we use the magnetometer and gyroscope sensors, and the heading is calculated. From the magnetometer we calculate the heading, and from gyroscope we first update the quotidian values, and from quotidian values we calculate the heading. And the next idea, use the sensor fusion techniques and to combine the magnetometer and gyroscope features and to finally make the heading. So the heading classifier for the pedestrian movement, the idea is to reduce the sensor errors. The main error from gyroscope is drift from the gyroscope and accumulated error. So to reduce these errors, we need to create a heading classifier, and the features from magnetometer are extracted, and using these features we calculate each direction where the pedestrian traveled or moved. So this is the experiment scenario. In this case, the pedestrian moved in 4 directions from the starting point and they reach the ending section same position. So this is the features we use to extract from the magnetometer, and using these features we calculate the direction. So in the result we can see in each direction, direction 1, direction 2, direction 3, direction 4, they are showing a unique features for each direction. So this is the basic idea to reduce the sensor errors. So we by using this idea we can reduce the sensor errors. So in the conclusion, they create a heading classifier to reduce the sensor error. Thank you.